Here is a simple step on how to upload your Excel workbook on your Power BI desktop. First of all, when you open your Power BI desktop, on your left hand side of your screen where you have the Home tab, you click on Get Data. On Get Data options, you click on File and choose Excel Workbook option under File and Connect. It will take you to where you have your folder. You get to choose the file you would want to work with. So locate the file and click Open. Here on Navigator, you choose the sheet you'd want to work with. This file is clean. If this file wasn't clean, we'll go ahead to click on Transform Data. It will take you to your Power Query editor where you get to edit the file and clean it before you upload it on your Power BI desktop. But this file is already clean, so we'll go ahead to click on Load. Your file is ready for modeling. You can find it on the right hand side of your screen where we have the data option. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned and subscribe so you watch our next video on how to clean data. Thank you.